Easy, a plug-and-play educational system, is portable, compact and a complete system for microstrip sensor characterization. Ideal for making basic or complex experiments. The students will be introducing in high-energy physics and particle detectors with hands-on experiments. They will be familiarizing with concepts such minimum ionization particles, charge collection, full depletion and charge sharing and strip detectors, among others concepts. The components of the EASY systems are the control unit and the sensor unit. The control unit is the heart of the system, communicating with the sensor unit and the computer's software. It contains the data acquisition control, and it is also in charge of processing of the sensor data and trigger inputs. In addition, it contains an adjustable height voltage unit for microstrip sensor bias, with voltage and current display, and includes the laser source. The control unit communicates with computer software via USB. The sensor unit accommodates a P-on-N silicon microstrip sensor, the same type of sensor used in Atlas detector at LHC. EASY software is able to configure the sensor device, receive the data via USB bus, and store it in a file for further analysis. This software also monitors the data during data acquisition, which allows performed a simplified version of the exercises, or, as in a real experiment, to record the data for a more detailed analysis. EASY comes with an activity book where the students, through 10 exercises, are introduced in the main concepts and functionalities of microstrip silicon detectors used in the actual particle physics experiments. The book also provides a full description of the EASY device and the data acquisition system. For more information about the educational Alibava system, please contact us.